I've already attached two pieces together by winding a piece of sellotape around. With your grown-up, can you help snip a piece of sellotape and wrap it around two sticks? Right, I'm going to attach another one now. Here's my third stick and I'm going to make a triangle shape. I've made a triangle by attaching bits of sellotape and winding them all the way around my three sticks. So I've made a triangle like this. I would encourage your child to start using the scissors to cut things, as it's really good practice to use scissors whenever you can under the supervision of an adult. So I'm going to snip my ribbon and I'm going to start attaching it to my dream catcher. And I'm going to do that by threading it in and out of the dream catcher in all different ways. So in and out and in and out. Just like this. After you've wrapped it around a few times, leave a bit of string or ribbon at the top and then you can hang it above your bed to catch all your lovely dreams.
So my dream catcher is going to be a little bit simpler. You'll need less equipment really, but I think it will still look absolutely beautiful. So you will need a stick from outside, some paper, it can be any paper that you find in your house so long as your parents say it's okay to use it, some scissors and a pen. So the first thing you're going to need to do is draw a line across your paper and then using your scissors very carefully, and it's very important that we start practicing our scissor skills, you're going to follow that line and try and cut out that piece of paper. And now you'll have your strip of paper and I'm going to write all my dreams and draw a few pictures on it to make it pretty. So I dream to be happy. So I'm going to write happy. I dream to be able to see my family again once this pandemic's over, so I'm going to write family. I also like lots of nice patterns, so I'm going to draw some patterns. So I'm going to draw some zigzags, draw some circles, some squares, because I think that makes it look beautiful. What else do I dream about? Oh, I would really like to get a pet, so I'm going to write a pet. That would be a dream to have a pet. Now, it is done. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so this is now my finished result. As you can see, I've got thin strips and I've got thick strips. So maybe you could try using your scissors to make different strips, thick and thin.